represent. Look how this looks.
Let me see. I'll talk to you.
Look how this looks. Ain't nobody gonna want to stay here with that.
Oh
my gosh, these people about to arrest me for assault. Like, this is crazy because...
Can I explain this to you really quick?
No, because...
She got fired, but made sure everyone knew she didn't agree with it. On May 28, 2024, officers were called to a leasing office after an employee recently fired erupted in rage. She didn't just leave quietly. Instead, she threatened the manager, shouted profanities, and refused to leave the property.
What's going on?
It wasn't necessary. Miss April, when a crunky in the office, and I'm sick of it.
I got you.
You feel me? You let me go be a nasty, and it's cool. No, it's cool.
We know each other.
It's cool. But I should have beat that ass, and that's on everything. I should have beat that ass, and that's on everything.
I got you. Look.
No, that. I've been too good to this motherfucking place, and she let me go on some personal and it's good. But I'm telling you, I'm tired of her belittling with me. I should have slapped her. That's on God.
I get it.
Wait.
You're upset.
No, very much so, because I done gained too much time in this motherfucking place, and people treat you up, and that up, and I should have slapped her, and then you could have took me, and I would have went politely.
I got you. But look, I don't want to give her a reason to say anything.
Man, her.
So we know each other, right? You know me. We've talked to each other for however many months.
I'm about to go. Can I just go?
You can't right now.
I'm about to go. She want me off her property. I'm about to go.
No, but right now I have to talk to you, and I have to talk to
Man,
her.
ain't listen, ain't nothing to talk about at this point. I just want to go. You come to my house.
Look, I know where you stay, but let's just keep on the lowest level possible. If this is
I don't want to talk to that. I'm done with that. Because if you put me back in there, you gonna put me in handcuffs.
I
don't want to talk to her, but it ain't nothing to talk about.
I know.
That lady said her name, and she getting a. How the would you feel if you was in a position and somebody laughed at you from letting you go? That set me off.
You wanna come talk where she can't?
No, that. You hear what I said?
Right,
How would you feel? How would you feel? It's personal. That make you feel like you small. First of all, I had a party on Saturday. You wanted to control everything. Yes, you said it was too much noise. You had an issue about the hookah. But you can't have a problem about people smoking hookah when you're the property manager. You smoke cigarette. It's the same. You feel me? We had a DJ. You had an issue with that.
Okay.
You came and talked to me on Saturday, and everything you asked me to do,
Good.
I did that.
Yeah, I remember.
Just now from the office to the computer, all I want to do is I got personal stuff on there.
Yeah.
I just want to delete my personal. You snatched the laptop from me, and I told you, don't snatch it from me.
Yeah.
Like, don't play with me. Don't be f***ing rude because you got the upper hand right now.
Right.
Don't because I'm about to slap you.
I got you.
Don't do that.
She's talking about in there, not me. We're good.
Like, don't do that. You don't want nobody to touch you. Don't antagonize me to touch you.
Yeah.
Like if somebody you give somebody, you have something and somebody snatch it from you, sir, what you gonna do? You gonna feel away, right? Take the police out of it. The human side of it.
Officers arrived to de-escalate the situation. The woman, clearly emotional, claimed the termination was personal. "I should have beat her ass," she yelled repeatedly, admitting she felt pushed to the edge. Her main concern? Her kids at home, with no one to care for them if she were taken in.
You gonna be mad, right?
I understand, man.
Yeah, like don't do that. You poking the wound already there. And you saying look, and you doing look, and I'm just supposed to take that. Nah, Damon, you already know how I rock. I ain't like that. I done took a lot of from this lady.
Yeah.
So this was my opportunity to say how the I felt, and I did. Absolutely. I just want to leave. All I said was, let me delete the stuff off of this computer because it's my personal stuff.
Right.
Because it's my computer, like my email and all my stuff is linked to that. That's all I wanted to do. Shantae said I can do it. So why are you arguing with me about a computer that I'm not going to take? I'm going to leave it. That's where the argument went left. But the argument went left from the office because you think you could say whatever the you want to say to me. This one ain't got to bite my tongue. You got flying down the thing. I should have beat her ass by then.
Yeah, the way it came in was...
Because that's how perception is reality.
Yeah, but that's why when I rolled up, I mean, I saw who you are and all stuff. It's...
Right. Listen, let me tell you something. On the flip side of this bullshit, I got too much to lose. When a got to lose, they'll try you. They'll do whatever. No, I got too much to lose.
Frankly, especially because we know each other and all stuff like that. I don't
Yeah, that's fine. You want to be biased. Oh.
I just don't want to, yeah.
Listen, you could. If you want to talk to me, what's your name? It's Bob.
Gillen.
Okay, you can talk to me. I don't care. But at the end of the day, let me tell you something. You don't get to provoke me, and I sit there with my hands crossed and no.
Right.
No. You want to go there? Let's go there.
Right.
I done let this lady try me for a year. So therefore, she just got what I should have gave it to her 6 months ago. She just got it. Yeah, she don't want this smoke. I'm telling you, you don't want this smoke. This ain't what she want. I done sat here for a long time and shut the up for months. This ain't what she want. And you represent the company, but look how this represents. Look how this look.
Let me see. I'll talk to you.
Look how this look. Ain't nobody gonna want to stay here with that.
5'1" to 5'3". If you're 10, can you start over our way? What's going on? You alright? Okay. So I talked to her. Now, Steph, I want to get. Were you here for this as well? I'll get your.
The end of it. Yeah.
I'll just get you guys' statement as far as what happens. Just being completely transparent. So, one, I know to my understanding, she's been terminated or whatever from here. So we can fill out a ban as far as that stuff goes, where she comes back to trespassing. But two, like, she's blatantly articulating assault. Like, there's no question there.
She is
all day. She told me that she was going to beat your ass and all that stuff, which that's not.
And the 911 operator heard it too, and so did my boss.
Well, as far as that stuff goes, if that is something that you are wanting us to proceed with, that is something that we can do. I have another officer coming out. As far as that stuff goes, I'm going to tell them what I've been told, and they'll make their own determination that way. As far as this stuff goes, can you just give me a rundown of basically what transpired? She told me, the stuff with the laptop.
So we brought her in the office to let her go.
Right.
My boss was on Teams.
Okay.
And to let her go. Of course, she started screaming immediately and yelling. And when she finally stormed out, my boss was like, "Do you have the keys?" And I said, "No, I'll go get them right now." And I left the door open. And I went and grabbed the keys. And I said, "I need you to just get your stuff and just leave." And she grabbed the computer. And I said, "Jonte, I need you not to touch our property." And she goes, "I'm going to do whatever I want. I got personal here." And I said, "You shouldn't have. It's work computer." And I went to shut the laptop, and she grabbed it and told me I better back to or she was going to beat my ass or whatever. And that was the first start of the threats. And the whole time she's screaming. And then she started letting me know that if I leave here, don't wait, because when you come outside, don't you think that I'm not going to whip your ass, whatever. I called the police, and I said, I just need her to leave. She came around, and she's standing here, and she's yelling, and of course, I'm the devil, and I'm a racist. And just everything like that, and going on. And then I was just trying to wait for her to leave, and then she threatened me again, and she came and she got in my face, and she's like this, and I kept backing up, and I said, "I need you to back up and get out of my face." I don't know what happened. I did something.
I'm gonna call it.
And then she literally, I don't want to touch you. She literally, I kept backing up, and I said, "Get the hell out of my face." And she's like, "What are you gonna do?" And then she hit me with her stomach and was pushing me back.
Oh, she mushed you?
And like, it was like this.
Yeah.
And I was like, "You need to back up off me," because, well, honestly, Damien, I didn't want to lose my job, and I didn't know if I like bumped her back or whatever. Then
I mean, at that point, you're in self-defense, like, just fully transparent.
I just didn't know, and I just like the last thing, because I know how she is, and I knew this would get turned around, and then I assaulted her somehow, and I wasn't going to have that situation.
Yeah.
The ex-employee explained that she'd only wanted to delete personal data from her work laptop, but when she tried, things spiraled. She accused her manager of snatching the device, provoking her. Her words became more aggressive. She wanted me to hit her. Officers tried to keep her calm, urging her not to escalate further.
So, it's going to be assault.
Okay.
Yeah. Don't want to make any assumptions on stuff, but as far as with the property on stuff, would you like her banned from property as well?
Absolutely. Saturday night after the deal that happened out here,
I came out whenever that was. I wasn't on duty, but
I thought I was worried about my house getting shot up. Like, honest to God, with the type of people that were there.
Yeah, there was a lot of people in there. They were not happy with. I set Pax into bark mode. I had her barking to clear it out. So if I tell Pax to speak, she'll start. She's scared of people in there. But yeah, let me do the band stuff. I'll come back, get with you guys, see what you want to do, and then we'll go from there.
Inside the leasing office, the manager gave her side. She said the woman made direct threats, even bumping her with her body during the confrontation. She told me she was going to beat my ass, and I believed her, the manager stated. Other employees confirmed hearing the threats. The 911 call backed it up.
Need it. This is the same form. This time it has the name on it. Here you go. That's basically saying she's banned from the property. Like I said, I'll go get her signature. I'll bring that back to you. Get a copy. And then...
And you're going to explain to her not to break gas, not to do anything.
Yeah, I'm going to read this off verbatim to her, and then I'm going to explain it out to her after that.
All right, what we got?
So, as far as this goes, this is a banned form. This is basically telling you that you're not supposed to be back on the property.
So you know I'm not coming back, right? And I don't even feel comfortable. I ain't never dealt with this type of stuff, and I don't even feel comfortable signing my name on this type of stuff.
You just tell me you're refusing to sign, and I'll write refuse.
Like I'm not signing my name on that because I don't even deal with y'all. Like, not even trying to be funny. Like, I don't got no background, and I don't get in trouble.
I get it. So
no.
I get it. I'm gonna just tell you what it says, just so you're aware. Because
and he kind of explained it to me too.
Yeah.
While y'all was doing it, so I can't come back up here for no reason.
Right, like you get mail.
No parking lot, not through the gates.
Yeah, just
you ain't got to worry about it. I'm not coming back up here. I promise. I'm not. Y'all not coming back up here, and if y'all do, it won't be for me. I can make that promise to y'all.
I'm gonna read this off to you.
Okay. You got something to say to me?
What's that?
You good?
How
you feel? You can talk to me.
It's a beautiful day, and you guys are
beautiful. It feel like Monday. It's Tuesday.
But for coffee.
So I just got a question. Can I press charges on her?
As far as this stuff goes, so I'll give you a case report number as well.
Yeah, I feel like because the snatching the laptop from me, like I should have slapped her. Like, not even being funny.
Yeah,
I feel like you wanted me to do something to you. Like, I felt like that was an introduction.
Antagonistic.
Yeah, I felt like you.
You can take the report before the court and all stuff like that, and then so I gotta detain you right now, and we'll take you.
But I didn't do anything to get obtained. Like, I got my kids. Like, let me make a phone call first.
If you need to make a phone call,
let me make a phone call because clearly they about to take me. I didn't even touch her. Like, but what about the things that she was saying to me? If it's assault, it gotta be.
I'm pulling the camera footage from all in there. As far as stuff goes.
That's fine. But what about the things that she said to me? It's no camera in her office. You get what I'm saying? It's no camera in her office. What about the things she said to me? Like, you gotta, if you gonna do it one side, and I'm not mad, you gotta do it both sides because I didn't put my hands on her. Right. Like, she threatened me too.
So with this and all that stuff. So I'm going to give you the same thing as far as what she's getting, the whole case report number thing.
Yeah, but you arrested me.
Right. So in this,
but I got kids at home, so I don't have nobody with my kids. You get what I'm saying? So what you want me to do about my kids? Just F my kids? They don't have no daddy. They just got their mama.
I'm not saying that.
But I don't have nobody to call them. And my kid is at home.
Do you have family?
I don't have no family here, Damien. That's why I work so hard. I don't have a support system. I don't have no one. So you about to arrest me and my kids about to be home by themselves until who knows how long.
So I know Wednesday you'll go before the judge.
Oh my gosh, these people about to arrest me for assault. Like, this is crazy because.
Can I explain this to you really quick?
No, because now I'm thinking about my kids. Like, I don't know what to do about my kids.
So you're not gonna, whenever you get there, they're most likely not gonna end up putting you in the uniform and stuff. You're gonna probably be able to bond out when you get there.
But you're not hearing me, my kids. My kids is home. I don't have nobody to go to my kids. That's all I'm thinking about.
Are your kids at home right now?
Yes.
Can we do something where, look.
No.
Listen to me. Just listen to me. So what I'm allowed to do, as far as because this is a misdemeanor, I can do a release on subpoena. So what I'm going to do, as far as all stuff goes, is I'm going to write up an A and B. So we're going to write up an A and B. You're still going to get a court date. You still have to go before the court as far as all this stuff goes, okay? Please do not miss that, otherwise they can cut out a warrant. But then if I write this up to where, as far as release on subpoena, you can take your car and you can go home to your kids. Is that something that works for you as far as this stuff goes?
I'm not going to miss no court date.
Okay, because right now, that's the best solution I have for all this, and then we'll go.
I just do what you got to do, Dave. I just want to go.
I got you.
Try to take me. I just need to figure out my kids. It's just me and my kids. So that's only my concern. I'm not telling y'all how to do y'all job. I'm a mother first. I'm thinking about my kids.
Absolutely. I mean,
I don't have nobody.
Dad, so don't come back here because at that point, that's the whole trespassing thing is a factor.
The woman continued venting. Her frustration wasn't just about the job, it was about being unheard. She laughed when she fired me. That hurt. Officers explained the situation. She could face assault charges and be banned from the property. She refused to sign the trespass notice, but verbally agreed not to return.
Like I tell somebody I'm going to beat your ass or whatever.
Yeah.
There's assault as long as there's the belief that someone meant what they're saying.
Right.
Now if somebody actually hits somebody, that's battery or simple battery, depending.
I got you.
So this is just going to be a copy as far as this goes.
Yes, sir.
Just for your records.
Thank you.
They'll send you, as far as
subpoena goes.
They're
going to send you something in the mail?
They'll send you a subpoena, yeah. If you have any questions about it any time, just contact the Chatham County Court Office, and they'll go ahead and give you instructions as far as that stuff goes.
All I care about is my record. Does this open up a record for me?
Right now, until you're convicted of anything, there's no record of saying that you.
So if I'm convicted, what that mean? I could do jail time. I could do my first offense.
I think for your first offense, it'd be like
probation.
if that. I mean, just to be honest, as far as like for something as simple assault, you may end up having to do like a certain community service or something like that.
I don't know. I will say this, as you writing it in your report. When I was sitting in her office, like, she was smiling, like this was funny to her. She was getting a kick out of it, so it made me get upset. Y'all didn't even give me a chance to explain my side. So it was pretty much what she said is what it is. Now, granted, when we was out there having a good time, you say residents felt the way.
I live in the building and I didn't have any issue with it.
Oh, okay. Maybe some did, but there were people out there with us. So when the second set of officers come, because I wasn't there when the first one came, is it too loud? He said no.
Right. Yeah, no,
I
you guys
say,
are fine.
I say, are we doing something wrong? I say, because I work here. If I'm doing something wrong, then I'm held accountable just like that.
As she faced potential arrest, her thoughts turned back to her children. "I don't have a support system," she cried. "I just need to get back to my kids." Officers, considering the misdemeanor nature of the offense, offered a release on subpoena, allowing her to leave and await a court date.
She came and she told me, she said, "I need you to move the DJ in the clubhouse, and I need you to move the hookers in the clubhouse." I did that.
Hookahs or?
Sound like some hookers?
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry, hookers. Hookers. She told me to move it in the clubhouse.
Yeah.
Damien, I did that.
Yeah. No,
So
I came out, you guys
everything
are
you
already
asked me to do, I did. So I didn't understand what the problem. The problem, I'll tell you what the problem was, and I hate making it black and white. It was a bunch of black people out there, and we was turned up having a good time. That was it.
But I'll let you do your thing. I'm gonna.
All right.
Before leaving, she made one final point. "Everything I was told to do at that party, I did. The only problem was that we were a bunch of black people having a good time." The situation, she felt, had deeper roots than just a workplace dispute. She was charged with assault and disorderly conduct. What's your take? Did the officers handle this situation with the right balance of empathy and authority, or should things have gone differently? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real police encounters.